Hey guys, welcome back. Another day. Off a little bit earlier today, which is nice. Tomorrow should be a pretty relaxed day. It was a relaxed day today at work, but it's over with now. Another day tomorrow. The guys I work with, they're getting laid off tomorrow, except for 3 of us, and then we gotta drive the trucks on Monday from Kamloops here to all the way to Poco, Coquitlam, BC, out on the coast in Vancouver. Yeah. I think my propane might have just died. Let's see here. I had it running for the last couple of days though. Yeah, I would say she's out. So I gotta change that tank. Be back in a minute, guys. Another propane tank empty. At least I'm pretty sure it's empty. I do lift a lot of weights every day, or a lot of heavy stuff during that work, so I probably really don't know the difference if it's light or not. Now we got one more thing to do. I gotta go out and restart my fridge. Be outside. Be back in a minute, guys. There you go, I'm back. Just a nice big Savannah, nice big Savannah camper van, Savannah van. I had the roof racks all on top, the steel ones. A nice setup. Probably there was a lady driving it. She's probably camping into it. That's what I figure. What a nice setup. Well, I might cook up some steaks here, guys. I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. Cook up these juicy steaks. Let's see. We get this stove working here. Yeah, that's the first time I had to change the propane tank now since, last Monday night. So, and today's Saturday, so, I don't know, Saturday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I guess 6 days out of that propane tank. I don't know if I should be getting longer. I might have a little bit of a leak, but I gotta bring it somewhere and see if there's a leak somewhere. But cause sometimes that line frosts up on my propane line, and it's just yeah. And then like right now, there's nothing. There's no frost on it. It's 6 degrees outside here in Kamloops, so not really that cold out. But I got the furnace on anyway because it's gonna it's gonna drop below temperature tonight, probably a little bit. So I don't want to be laying here cold in the bed. So I just want to keep it nice and warm in here. I guess nice and cozy. Yeah, I'm just frying up a couple steaks here now, guys. I'm trying to get rid of all my fridge stuff here. Frying up these steaks in the frying pan. Cast iron. Yeah, there's one guy I follow on YouTube. I think his name is his YouTube handle is Forestry Forest or something. But he has a one big Savannah van that I just saw. It's not the same guy, but same person. But he has one big one, and he goes all over, and it's a 4x4 lifted fan, big Savannah van. I wouldn't mind getting into something like that. Now, I have an Astro van at home, GMC 1993 GMC Safari GMC Safari van. I meant it's a long wheelbase one. It's just a 2-wheel drive, but I might turn that into a camper van here this summer, and maybe I could use that for a little bit and switch it up between my truck, camper, and my van. We'll see. I'll see how it works out. First, I gotta try. I was trying to find a fridge to run it, because if I'm gonna be out on the road in hot days, I want to be able my fridge be able to work properly. You know what I mean? I don't want to come back to the van and everything be thawed out and moldy or rotted in there, or a whole bunch of water in there. So I want to figure out something for that van, for a fridge anyway. Not too worried about the heat. It is gonna be summer, so I could probably get a little buddy heater or start up the van. Yeah, I'll do a video on that one day when I get back home here. We'll see. Yeah, I had to go light my fridge outside, as you'll see in one of my other camper van, or in my other videos where I was camping on the river. I had to go and light my fridge. But yeah, I had to go outside and light my fridge, take off a panel, unscrew it, and then lift up on the lever for 10 seconds, and then light it with a lighter. Yeah, and then seal it back up. I usually leave it on too. Oh boy. Check out my steaks here, guys. Oh, my fridge is getting pretty bare in there now. I think I might have to run into Costco here in a few days. Tomorrow or next day. Maybe get a few things. Oh, another cool beer. Any more new subscribers on here? Let me know where you're from in the comments. I know there's a few people on there said that they're that they're from Kentucky and Philippines and maybe West Virginia. I'm not sure, but yeah. Thank you for liking my video and watching it and subscribing it. I really appreciate it. Yeah. So all I can say is more videos to come pretty soon. Just here at work at Costco here, and I'll be camping. It'll be only a couple more days. Tomorrow and the next day, and then I'll be leaving here. I won't be back this way, Kamloops, for a while. Not until next year probably, but because this is my last shift, and then I go to new places after that, I guess. Whenever my work starts. So we'll see where the road takes me. This beer here is made in Alberta, Canada. Mountain Crest. Right in, I think it's Calgary, Alberta. Yeah, right there on the label. But yeah, it's a great tasting beer. It's not too bad. It was cheap when I bought it, so. I like all kinds of beers, but I don't drink that much. I get it every now and again if I'm craving it. If it's been a while or a long time and I want a beer, I'll go get a beer. But I only drink one or two a day, or maybe sometimes it'll be longer. So I had that case now for a long time. Maybe a couple or 3 weeks now, and I still haven't even cracked any of it yet. I just drink it slowly. I'm not an alcoholic or anything like that, so I just usually have one or two beer occasionally. Maybe one beer at night, and that's it. Yeah, I can't be drinking a whole lot because I do have the work and everything. So use common sense when it comes to that. Your work is more important than drinking beer. So you gotta have a job. You gotta have a stable job. I don't need to lose my license over that. So. Yeah, somebody asked in the comments there, why don't you go to a different camp or go to a campground? Well, I probably would, but now I only have a couple more days here, and it's free camping here at Costco. Nobody bothers me here. It's only busy here when I get here after work till about 8:30, and that's when Costco begins to shut down for the night, and the parking lot gets really empty. So, and then I usually sleep like a baby at night, so I don't hear too much. Oh man. I'm a little bit tired. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna eat tomorrow. Maybe those steaks, I don't know. Tomorrow should be an easy day. Hopefully we get off really early because he's taking us out for supper tomorrow, or like after work, for work supper. So yeah, gotta go and take a shower after work, down to the hotel, down to the change room down there, and get all dressed up. Check these steaks out. Starting to get a little smoky in here. I think the steaks are just about done. That's pretty good steak. Very good. Yeah. I don't know what else to cook up now. Wow. Anyways, guys, I don't want to keep this video too long. Anyways, hope you like it. Yeah, it's just another video. Not too much interesting, not too much going on, but yeah, for sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for some more. I'll probably keep you posted every day what's going on. So yeah, thanks for liking and subscribing, and for sure to comment and tell me where you guys are. Anybody on this channel that are in Canada or anything, or across the world, yeah, let me know what whereabouts you guys are. Anyways, thanks for subscribing and liking the channel and commenting. Really appreciate it. Until next time, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and bye bye for now. Cheers.